Hey guys, it's Ian Elijah with Chatter Matters. We received a question from one of our followers in regards to a cemetery located near Erlanger that appeared to be an eyesore. So I did some digging, found some information, and I'm here to answer that question for you today. The cemetery he's referring to is the Confederate cemetery located between 3rd Street and UTC's bookstore. Now, this cemetery was created immediately after the Battle of Chattanooga in 1863 to house the bodies of fallen Confederate soldiers. But not only are soldiers buried there, but the descendants of those soldiers and other prominent Confederate members were also buried there. Now, this piece of land was owned and managed by a private group of individuals known as trustees up until about 1942, when the last living trustee died. At that time, the city of Chattanooga decided to step in and become a trustee in order to help maintain this cemetery. Now, in 2018, former Chattanooga Mayor Andy Burke decided to part ways with this cemetery as it didn't necessarily align with the current government. The city of Chattanooga then decided to go to court with a petition along with the United Sons of Confederacy to transfer full responsibility for the cemetery over to them. This social group now manages, maintains, and upkeeps the cemetery all by themselves. I got a chance to talk to local historian Linda Mines to figure out how this Confederate cemetery fits into the landscape of Chattanooga.
It's an interesting historical site. There's a lot of education that could come from talking about some of the folks that are here and talking about those issues, because if this cemetery serves as a purpose, it is to generate conversation. It is to bring us together as a nation. We are way too divided. We allow others to divide us when sometimes if we could talk through issues, we could all see that we are all very much the same.